Hey everybody, so I found a baby bird and it looks so cute. I feel like petting it. Hi everyone, just look at this cute bird I found. Doesn't it look cute? Yeah, we have to take it home. Oh, it's so fuzzy looking. Daddy, shall we take it? But when it grows up, we can leave it. We could leave it, right?
Yeah.
So, Mommy, put it in your hand. Can I feel it? It looks cute. I'll go and bring my house. Maybe she could sleep in there. Remember that bird which was dead over there? Maybe it might be its mama. Put the baby birdie in this little house. I made it yesterday. The birdie is shivering, so I'm going to protect it in this house. Hope she feels cozy. I think I'm going to give her a blanket inside. Tabby blanket. I'm going to put this right to grass inside this as so it can be nice and safe. More. And yeah. But this will be its lawn. Wait, I think I'm gonna redo it. Little bird in our lawn. Oh, it's so cold. What will it do so cold? Well, good thing we're here. We are bird protectors. Hey, this is going to be its lawn and this is going to be its house seat. Okay. Where's the birdie? She's really cute. But when I look at it, it looks kind of scary. Oh, so cute. This is a good baby. Oh, it's moving, it looks scary. I can't do it, I'm scared. You do it. Let me try. Oh, hi there, little birdie. Feeling cozy? Hi there, little birdie. Say ah. Good girl. What do we name it? gonna name him Mr. Tweets. Hi there, Mr. Tweets. So we called Wildlife Sanctuary and they told that the bird, which we found is really sad, so they asked to return it to them. And they gave us some instructions. So we have to like add a packet or something with hot water and tissues over it, and over it we have to add the birdie. And they asked us to return it home like that. So now we're going to add the hot water. So now we're going to add the hot water. And over it, soft tissue. So now and then you have to add your gloves and pick the baby bird up and add it inside. It's nice and warm in there. Over. Ah, it's laying down. Okay. Wow, they really suit you, Daddy. Cut it out. Ooh, owie, that hurt. Ah!
Where is that?
Ew, this looks ridiculously disgusting.
They said to remove the no grass.
They said no grass. I know that. Ew. What is that birdie doing?
Oops.
Don't do anything rude to her.
No, I'm not doing it. I'm trying to put her, make her sit.
She's trying to scratch you. Yo, don't. Poor little girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. It is very warm. I wish I was a bird to be in a warm place. Now we're going to take it to the wildlife sanctuary right